Hello guys, it's been already 2 weeks I'm working here at NBPGR, so I'm going to show you what are the things available in this NBPGR. I may not be able to show you all, but some of it I'll show you. So this is a set house, and it is also a nursery, and you can say that a collection of many plants are available here. I'm gonna show you. So this is citrus seedlings. Just recently we have planted this and it is growing now. And here are some seedlings which can be planted in the field. And this is one kind of orchid. This is aloe vera, and there are also some orchids. And see, these are all orchids. This is citrus. The plant is very small but still fruiting. It's a kind of bonsai. And if I'm not wrong, this must be Dillenia, maybe Dillenia indica seedlings. Here also it is there. And here also another variety of citrus. Citrus is there. And see, and this is a kind of ornamental plant. ये किंग चिली है क्या भैया? किंग चिली. ये अभी जो लगाया ये वाला है ना? कुछ दिन पहले जो लगाया. इसमें तो आया नहीं. And here are some succulents. See the beautiness of this plant. It is very beautiful. And here is also another citrus. It is fruiting, though the plant is very small. And this is the main office building of this NBPGR, which means National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resource for Northeastern region. And I don't know what this fruit is. It looks very nice. But I cannot identify the plant. It is very interesting. And here also, wow, it looks like edible, but I don't think that it is edible. Wow. And this is the front view, the entrance of the office. See, you can see this is very unique. It may be a wild banana, but I have never seen this color. This is a pink color, and the plant is very small, but it is growing and also fruiting. I don't know whether it is edible also. and some of the small plants are also here. And here, see, this is how it looks when it is properly matured. When it is fully matured, it looks like this. There are so many seeds inside. Yeah, it is same types of banana which is found even in Tripura also in wild, but the tree is very big, and even the fruits are also will be bigger than this. This is the main entrance gate. This is the entrance. This is our office in charge and scientist, Dr. Julius Uchoi's room. He is also my principal investigator of the project. And here is also our ma'am, Suvarna Hajong. She is also scientist. And this side we have lab as well as mini kitchen. You can say we used to make tea and all over there. And these are the stairs to go up towards my room. And finally, this 211 is my room, and that is where I sit and work. We have some photographs here. This is heritage of Taj Mahal. This is wildlife, and this is landscape.